And if you explain here is a steamroller of 1923. The big fire in there? Yeah. Going. Right. Here in the middle you've got the crank and the flywheel. And what I'll do now for you is I'll get it ticking over for you, okay? So if you'd like to put that lever, grab the top and push right forward, beautiful, and I'll get this running now for you, alright? Okay, so it's now ticking over, it's out of gear, okay? This is the steering wheel, ready? And this is the handbrake, okay? Okay, that's the coal we burn. That's the shovel. If you'd like to grab that lever and this lever, pull it back, that'll stop the engine. Pull it. Okay? Well done, fantastic. Alright? Brilliant.